Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the ultimate kitchen upgrade with the Our Place Cookware Set, a complete 13-piece collection that includes the Always Pan 2.0, Mini Always Pan, Perfect Pot, and Mini Perfect Pot, all designed to replace up to 36 traditional cookware pieces. This set offers unmatched cooking versatility, allowing you to braise, sear, steam, and more, thanks to its multifunctional design. Each piece features advanced Thermakind ceramic nonstick coating, free from harmful chemicals like PFAs, PTFEs, PFOAs, lead, and cadmium, ensuring healthier cooking on all cooktops, including induction. Smart features like self-basting lids with built-in strainers and nesting beechwood utensils make cooking more convenient, while stainless steel handles remain cool to the touch for safe handling. Plus, every component is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for a seamless transition from stovetop to oven. The space-efficient, stackable design optimizes your kitchen real estate, making it perfect for hosting, family meals, and meal prep. With its patented multifunctional design, the Our Place Cookware Set is the ultimate solution for saving space and time in your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.